Hi, how are you? Oh wow, this is yellowtail red snapper. We're cooking, grilling on George Foreman grill. George Foreman grill. In the kitchen, Yellowtail red snapper, yellowtail red snapper. See? Wow. Now we have to flip. See? Bare hands, don't need gloves, nothing. See, a little bit hot. Oh, so nice, so nice. Burning fingertips. We like it. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, I like. Oh, see, yellowtail red snapper, beautiful. Looking absolutely beautiful. Oh wow. Looking so delicious. See, red heads, kind of like red snapper, and this is red snapper but yellowtail. Yellowtail snapper. We're grilling very nice. We're gonna do a little bit Old Bay seasoning. See, Old Bay seasoning. We're gonna put some. Empty. It's okay. We put a lot of seasoning before this. Before this video. Not understand. We're gonna put. Look, this is very cool here. Black pepper grind. Telly cherry. See? No, stop falling. That little pepper's falling. See? This is good stuff. See? Thank you so much. Oh, you're very nice and delicious looking. Low temperature, but we're gonna make it red, see? Oh, see like that? Oh, it's on fire. Ocean fish. This is ocean fish, but very delicious. We're gonna eat some. Thank you for watching.